In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload custom fonts to your Wix website. If you want your site to have a more unique and polished look, adding a custom font is a great way to match your branding and make your text stand out. Wix makes this process fairly simple, and in this walkthrough, I will show you exactly how to do it inside the Wix editor. To get started, open your website in the Wix editor. Make sure you are on the page where you want to work, because this will help you preview how your custom font looks with your existing design. Once you are in the editor, the next step is to add a text element to your page, or simply click on an existing text box if you already have one in place. Either option works. After selecting the text, click Edit Text so you can open the Text Settings panel. From there, look for the Fonts drop-down menu. This is where Wix shows all of the fonts currently available for that text element. Go ahead and click the drop-down so the full list appears. Then scroll all the way to the bottom of the font list. At the very bottom, you will see the option labeled Upload Fonts. Click that to continue. A pop-up window will appear. In that window, click the Upload Fonts button. This will open your computer's file browser, where you can locate the font file you want to use. Select the correct font file from your computer, then click Open. At this point, Wix will begin processing the file. Depending on the file and your connection, this may take a few moments, so just give it a second. Once the upload is complete, you should see a confirmation checkmark. That checkmark lets you know the font has been successfully uploaded and is ready to use in your site. When you see that confirmation, click Done. After that, your uploaded font should become available in the font list, and you can apply it to your text just like any other font in Wix. It's a good idea to preview the text on your page to make sure the font is readable and fits the overall style of your website. And that's it. Thanks for watching.